Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to take a look at the NOCO Boost Plus. This little thing right here, it looks like an oversized battery pack, but what this is a jump box, a booster to be able to jump start a vehicle if you have a dead battery. We're going to take a look at this. This is actually the GB40. This is the smaller one. You can get about 3, 4, maybe 5 jumps per charge on this thing, depending on the conditions. Obviously, colder winter months is going to be less. Summer, you get a little bit more. But we're going to take a look at this. I'm going to show you exactly how this works, the case that I bought for it as well. And then we're going to hook it up to my truck and show you exactly how this works. So stick around. But before we do that, please subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed, like the video, and also leave a comment. Let's get started. All right, so I've had this and used this for about a year now. So obviously the case is dirty. This is an optional case that you can buy for this. It does not come with this. This was optional, but it keeps everything well organized and protected. So let's open this up and show you exactly what I have here. So by opening it up, you have the NOCO Boost Plus right here, the GB40. And so it's pretty simple. You just hit the power button and there it's powered on. And in the power mode, you have this little port right here. This is where you hook the jumper cables, and I'll show you that here in just a minute. Also has a flashlight built in, so you can turn the light on. And then you also have, and so here's the light, right like that. Turn it off. And it also has flashing mode for SOS. Has emergency flash and off. On the other side here, you have 2 USB ports right here. So USB in, that is a micro USB, that is how you charge it. And a 1 USB port for charging a phone or something like that. So it's like an oversized power bank is what it looks like. Now this is the smaller one. You can get a real big one that has, this one here is 12 volt 1000 amp. So they get much bigger, and I'll have links in the descriptions for all the different sizes that you can look at and order. But I really like this one because it's so small. It does what I need, and it's just very useful and small and compact. The bigger ones get really heavy and things like that. But that's about it right there for that. Now let's show you what else comes with this. You have a charging block right here, and it does come with the cable to charge it. And then in the back side of this right here is, you can see right here I have the USB charging cable that came with it. And then this is the other part of this that's very useful. So you have these jumper cables right here, and it has this little thing here that they connect to when you're not using it. Just a little piece of plastic. So you have your jump cables with the end right here, and it just connects, and you can't mess it up because one's round, one's square. And it just connects like that. And there you go. Now, if you turn this on, it would slowly charge the battery. What you have to do is use this button. This is a bypass. So you turn this on, you connect these, and then you hit this button and this light will light up, and that sends all the power from this thing directly to these connectors so you can jump start a car. And so I'm going to show you how that works here in just a moment. So, but very small and compact. The case is an additional, but it'll be in the description. You can go there if you want to buy the case as well. But you know, this is a really good thing. So let me show you how you hook it up and how you use it. So what you do is with this thing, you want to make sure it's off, and then you're just going to connect the red or the positive to your battery. And with this, it's got all this electronics on it, so you just got to find a good spot to connect it. And then you're going to connect the negative like that. And then let me pan over so you can see here. So with this on, you turn it on, let it power up to full green. All right guys, so I ran into a little bit of an issue. So because of this battery on this truck and because of the electronics, because the battery is fully charged, it won't let me demonstrate this on this battery. But essentially what you would do is you would turn this on. This would go charge. You hold down the red button and it would light up this light right here. As soon as this is lit up right here, then you would get in and start the vehicle. As soon as you start the vehicle and it starts, you turn this off and you would disconnect your jumper box from the truck or the vehicle, and then put your hood down and go. And that's pretty much how it works. So guys, that is a look at the NOCO Boost Plus GB40. I highly recommend these. These are great. Keep one in your car. So many uses for this. You can charge your phone. You know, if your car has a dead battery, if somebody else needs a jump, you know, you're in a situation where you can't get a car up next to the front of the car to be able to run jumper cables. These things are great. You just charge it, leave it in there, check it every couple of months, keep it charged, and you'll never have to worry about having a dead battery again. So highly recommend this. Hey guys, if you enjoyed this video, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and also leave a comment. We'll see you next time. Take care.